Hiya, Wendy. 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 Guys, problem not a finish, you know. I'm feeling bored with what I eat. It feels like I've really killed my appetite with the kind of food I eat. I eat the same thing morning, afternoon. Whenever I'm hungry, I just go to the kitchen, get the same thing. Maybe stew and a wedu, a chop, maybe a mala or a bar or anything. I beg, probably not the finish. I want to go and buy fish and banku. I've been thinking, oh, if I should or shouldn't, but hey, come on, I should, right? I should. So, Wendy. Oh, this girl. Hey, let's go. Amma, will you come? Will you come with me? Wendy. She has this habit of ignoring me when I'm calling her. She feels like I'm disturbing. Wait, this girl will soon fall. She's not behaving like she have all the energy. Yeah, she's so I'm feeling sorry for. It's not even. Come. I'm not going to be spending all. I'm going to be spending this on the food. This is 15 cedis. I'm going to be spending 17 cedis. I'll use 15 to get the fish and then use 2 cedis to get banku. And I'm going to get recharge card so that I can use it to upload videos and also catch up with videos. Let me see if I can take you guys with me. If it's not too dark out there, I'll take you guys. If it's too dark, see you guys later. Accra is beautiful at night. That is the truth, because everywhere is light up. But the truth is, Accra is prettier at night than during the day, because everywhere is light up. So it makes it look nice to behold. Even our ugly house at night looks beautiful because of the lights. Night, everywhere is light up in the night. This is just like the developing side. If you go to the main city, like you could see a place there. It's brighter and more cute to behold at night. So this is where I'm buying the fish. Going here. So we placed order for the fish, and we have been here waiting. So once it gets here, I'm going to show you. I heard that they have slightly different in price. Instead of 15, they have something less. And I'm just thinking, I really want to spoil myself tonight for no just reason, just because problem not the finish. So in fact, me I want to finish problem. Since problem not the finish, me I want to finish problem. So I'm just gonna like use the change to get myself maybe Coke or something. Let me get fat in peace, guys. Okay, okay. Get fat in peace. No problem, no burdens, no complaint. Are you cool, Wendy? Are you good? Are you good? Cool. Back. So I got myself a toothbrush. The most popular ones here, common ones here are this one here made by Pepsodent. My brush, I don't know where Wendy dropped it, so today I've not brushed since morning. I'm feeling it's sort of, there's a way I feel. It's 2 cedis. That are like 160 naira or so. 3 cedis. Things are really going up. This Coke here, it used to be sold for 2.5, but they have increased on some of these things. First of all, go brush my teeth. Yup, go brush first before eating. Already brushed. I wanted to Madam Wendy to sleep before I will chop, but she's not ready, as you can see. Be careful, baby, be careful. She have now looked at this bed and looked at it like it's her mate after all. Be careful, Wendy. Please don't be too proud, okay? I don't think you get there. So she's not ready to sleep. So I don't know how I'm going to eat. When you are eating, Wendy will climb your head to your toe and then to your head. All the trance of your hair, she will climb. This girl you're looking at. But when I'm not doing anything and I say, baby, come, let's kiss, let's play, she avoids me. Eh? Who does that? What kind of a pikin is that? I say, what kind of a pikin? Don't do it. Don't do that.
Каждый день идет, и чего-то ждет, ясным теплым днем или под дождем. Снова слов пустых, а что слышишь ты?
Don't you have some manners?
Смотрю я лишь вперед, мечта меня ведет. Иду не просто так, и мне не нужен знак. Слышу вновь и вновь, правит всем любовь. Если хочешь ты, напевай со мной. Знаем мы с тобой, правит всем любовь. Давай со мной шагай, в глазах ты прочитай. Не бойся, я с тобой.
I applied this gel on my head. It's looking wet. Hope I look good. So I was actually filming when I was doing my makeup, but the baby woke up, so I don't think I'm going to be putting out that clip. So I was talking about baby shaming. It's too much. Cut it down, okay? It's not everyone that baby shame someone, but a lot of women do it. The one that shocked me the most is last month or so, around May. I saw a comment of someone I know on Instant Blog. They post about Uche Obodo. Uche Obodo is a Nigerian actress. I'm going to be inserting her picture in anywhere here in this video. You know, she recently got pregnant again and have a baby, so I was really worried because I don't really like it. I don't like sharing pregnancy news or joining with people because see, there's a lot that comes with it, and you're going to leave a lot of people heartbroken. You're not going to be the only one if something go wrong. For those of us who have really experienced traumatic childbirth, so you understand. You just want to keep it to yourself and maybe share later. This is not to condemn people that are doing it, okay? But Uche got pregnant and she made it public. Like, she literally, Instagram with the pregnancy. She blogged about it. She was always vlogging about the journey, and people were shaming her. And I remember seeing a comment to someone I know on Instant Blog laughing at Uche Obodo for having a baby outside wedlock. And this is a 40-something years rich lady. What is it? You're single, rich, and you feel laughing at another woman is fair who made the decision to want to have kids. You don't want to have kids in your life, is okay. I wish I'm like you. Unfortunately, I'm not. Or fortunately, is it fortunate or unfortunate? One of them is, you get, I'm not. So for you to come laugh at a woman who have kids is unfair. For me, I go through a lot of this. People see you with a child automatically look down on you, especially I've asked people, ask me, your mama supports you with the belly, you know, why she go just make you born? So my mom should have disowned me. This is said by a lady who is 40-something years and still single. So I don't know. You baby shame people. You baby shame when you see a woman. Most people, when they see a woman with a child, she automatically become unintelligent. How did our parents do it? It is okay every day for people to baby shame women, but it is not okay if you want to talk about people that are struggling to have kids. You do feel like you're laughing at them. You don't know that I'm not saying if you baby shame anybody, anything is going to happen to you. But what if it happens to you tomorrow? How are you going to deal with it? don't baby shame or shame or single shame or do shame anybody, body shame, any shame, all form of shaming. Stop it. Stop it, okay? Some of you are the reasons baby daddies don't take care of their kids. Tomorrow you go get married and then you don't know what to expect. Stop baby shaming, for God's sake. For me, I've said a lot on the video earlier before I made this one. I've said a lot. I don't know what happened to the clip because the baby woke up, everything got messed up. So it is not okay to laugh at people for having kids outside wedlock or in wedlock, anywhere. You just live your life, okay? Live your life, because people that have kids are not going to come mocking you for not having kids, because it's a very wrong thing to do, trust me. And it's also not right for you to do it to people. Oh, so let's go to Madina and buy a new phone. Ciao. Vanessa will be joining us later. She's coming there. She said we pass by somewhere and pick her up, but no, the sun is too much. And me, she don't like entering public transport. Me, I want to manage. So I'll see you guys later. Bye. Let me test something. I'm trying to vlog in public and see what's happening around this area. My God. Okay, so I just see Madina bus and I'm going. I stopped by somewhere behind me to pay for meat. There's a store that I used to buy meat from, so I just paid them, so that will be off me. When I come back, I'll pick it up. Yeah, this is my first days here vlogging in public. All right, so let me catch up the bus. I'll see you guys. Madina. You guys meet Vanessa.
I beg, give me 15 cedis. I don't want me this man no say money dey man.
Because you don't go overprice some baboni baba. You don't kill him. What is baboni baba? What is badadu? Oh, Vanessa load.
Vanessa with the behind.
You guys are
Ясным теплым днем или под дождем. Есть много слов пустых, а что слышишь ты? Смотрю я лишь вперед, мечта меня ведет. Иду не просто так.
Look at Vanessa's phone, guys. iPhone 12, and she's not vlogging. God, when? You're not even using it. Oh yeah, give me. Use it to sow seed in my life. Use it to sow seed in my life.
Yeah.
When you're just happy. Come. Go and meet Auntie V.
Fine.
Go.
Where did they find you? So don't
you don't chop all my money finish. You
Color
can't leave
don't
me like this. Now me come dey.
This is Mama
No,
Wendy.
like that. No, like that.
Hi guys, this is Mama
So, we are
Wendy.
here
This one.
to- Okay, they come.
How much?
80.
Ah,
80. I don't understand like
this
this.
one na
80 cedis.
30. Okay.
She didn't give me.
Make a jealous you, please. So we came to get the phone soon and get a new one. I'm not supposed to tell you guys that I'm selling to buy, right? So that I can get back my haters. Well, so we're here and I want to sell it. And Vanessa just bought a new phone. God, when? God, am I your stepdaughter? She has this one. God, Vanessa has this one. She has this one. iPhone 12. She just bought another iPhone. Now to buy Android. God, when? Am I your stepdaughter? When the lament on YouTube is God on YouTube. Let's talk. Let's talk to God. God on YouTube.
I beg, I want that God day YouTube.
Hey, day. You go call say you entered. Oh yeah, send me your camera.
Каждый день идем и чего-то ждем. Ясным теплым днем или под дождем. Есть много слов пустых, а что слышишь ты?
finally, after a long time. First, I make my nails, guys. Since I had baby, I have not done my nails since the see if how I'm going to function with them. I love the colors, beautiful. But if I cannot, if they're not going to let me do well as taking care of the baby, I'm just going to remove them. So here is the phone that we got. Spark 7, and I'm going to be doing unboxing in another video. So just that, I got the baby milk as usual. Okay, this one is some Nigerian things. So you see hot leaf and palm oil. I needed another pair of pajamas for Wendy. I saw this one and I just took it. Okay, let me buy. And of course, the normal, our daily bread. So, more diapers. And what again? Okay, this one is Gary for myself and Pepe. I want to cook. So, I'll see you guys next time. Okay, I'm ending the vlog here. I hope that you enjoyed the vlog. Please do it, subscribe, okay? And don't forget to like, comment, and all the amazing things. Thank you for watching. Bye.